Today, we're reviewing Circulon Nonstick Cookware. Is it really worth your kitchen space? Let's find out.
Circulon Cookware is well known for its advanced non-stick surface and long-lasting, durable design. The unique raised circle pattern helps distribute heat evenly and allows food to release easily. This means healthier cooking with less oil, better results, and super easy cleanup after meals.
These pans are made from hard-anodized aluminum and stainless steel, built to resist scratches and everyday wear. What I love most is the smooth food release, even heat distribution, and solid, premium feel. However, avoid metal utensils and high heat, because the non-stick coating can wear over time with heavy use. Overall, Circulon is a great option for easy, everyday cooking. Like, comment, and follow for more cookware reviews. For honest kitchen reviews and smart cooking tips, subscribe to Homepantrypro and cook with confidence every day.